Choosing the right marketing platform can feel like navigating a maze, but today, we're simplifying things by putting Flodesk and System.io head-to-head. First, let's dive into email marketing. Flodesk shines with its stunning, visual-driven templates perfect for creatives and brands prioritizing aesthetics. Click the link in the description to explore Flodesk's sleek interface. System.io offers a more robust landing page builder, ideal if you need complex layouts, sales funnels, and direct integration with your entire business workflow. We'll show you how to link the two platforms as well. Now for automation, System.io excels with its advanced capabilities, letting you create sophisticated sequences triggered by user behavior. Flodesk offers simpler, visually appealing automations focused on nurturing leads. Pricing is key. Flodesk offers a flat monthly rate for unlimited emails, while System.io has tiered plans based on contacts and features. Take note of the costs. Ultimately, Flodesk is great for visual brands prioritizing beautiful emails. System.io is better suited for entrepreneurs needing an all-in-one business solution. Click on the links in the description for the detailed overview of each platform and pricing details. Let us know in the comments which platform aligns best with your business. Don't forget to subscribe for more marketing tech reviews.